Understanding merge conflicts.
Merge conflicts happen when two or more people edit the same part of a file and then try to combine their changes. This can occur in version control systems like Git. Resolving merge conflicts is a common and important part of teamwork in coding projects. Let's walk through what causes these conflicts and how to handle them confidently.
Identifying a merge conflict.
When a merge conflict arises, your version control tool will stop the merge and alert you. In Git, for example, conflicted files are marked in your working directory. Inside the files, you'll see special markers showing competing changes from different branches. The first step is to carefully review these differences.
Reviewing and choosing changes.
Open the conflicted file and look for markers such as left flash, equals, and flash equals. The changes you made are typically shown first, followed by changes from the other branch. Read both versions carefully, decide what to keep, combine, or modify, and then edit the code so only the correct final changes remain.
Finalizing the resolution.
After you edit the file and remove all conflict markers, save your changes. Then, mark the conflict as resolved in your version control system, often by adding or staging the file. Test the code to make sure it works as expected. Finally, complete the merge process as prompted.
Tips for avoiding future conflicts.
To reduce merge conflicts, communicate with your team about what you're working on. Pull changes regularly and make smaller, more frequent commits. Use code review and keep your branches up to date. Good collaboration and workflow practices help keep your project running smoothly.